friends, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. For those of you that are new, my name is Odie, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a birthday gift from my husband. He bought me something that's very beautiful. It combines my love of Disney and makeup all in one. So I thought it would be fun to share a little bit of my happiness and open up the gift with you guys as well. But before we get into that, I just wanted to give you guys a little life update. So if you want to skip this part of the video, I'll have a timestamp so you can skip ahead. But yeah, we'll get into it. So where to start? At the moment, I'm kind of getting back into the groove of things, kind of back into real life. My husband was off on paternity leave, so he was home for quite a while, which I'm very thankful for. It really helped me out, and it's also nice for him to be home and enjoy our new baby. But yeah, he's back at work now, and he works out of town. So I did try and prepare before my husband left. I was like, I'm gonna be organized. I'm not a very organized person, but I was like, let me just try to be organized. So I wrote out a schedule. Now, everything is not set in stone. Things happen with two kids. Sometimes things can't get done, or I'm running behind schedule, but that's okay. As long as I have an idea of how to go about my day, it's actually really helping me. The only part that has been hard for me is the getting up early. I want to get up at least an hour before my kids do, and that hasn't really happened. In fact, today was the first day that I actually woke up an hour and a half before the kids did. But so far, I think the schedule is helping, and I'm not going to try. I am going to keep it up, because in order to keep my sanity, I'm going to try and keep myself organized. Other than that, things are good. I am currently in the thick of postpartum hair loss, and I was actually going to wear a toque to try and hide it, but then I thought, you know what, let me just show you what the current state of my hair is right now. So I am about 2.5 months into the postpartum hair loss, and I'm gonna say that I've lost more than half my hair volume, which is a little bit nerve-wracking, but I'm also trying not to stress about it too much. I'm going to take my hair out and just show you the state of my hair right now. So when I'm looking at the camera like this, I don't feel like you can really tell, but once I put my head down, you can really see how thin my hair is up here. And also when I start to run my fingers through my hair, yeah, it's very thin up top. You can really see my scalp, and it looks even worse when I'm out in the sun. So I'm usually wearing a hat. So yeah, that's my hair 2.5 months into postpartum hair loss. I do feel like I'm dealing with it a little bit better the second time around. With my first child, postpartum hair loss really hit my self-esteem, and I was really down about it. I was able to prepare a little bit better the second time around. However, the hair loss itself feels like it's worse right now, and I'm trying not to think what my hair is going to look like a month from now, 2 months from now, because if I dwell on that, then I'm really going to freak out. I just tell myself that we're going into winter, and I can just hide under my toque, winter hat, whatever people call it outside of Canada. Yeah, that's the state of my hair right now. Hopefully the shedding subsides soon. So yeah, anyways, that's all I wanted to say about my life. Let's get into the actual video, and let me tie up my hair. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's get into my gift. So like I said, November is my birthday month. I am 38 years old. The closest I've ever been to 40. I'm trying to be more positive about getting older, because I feel like, since I turned 30, I've been such a downer about each and every birthday that now I'm like, no, I'm a grown I'm a grown-ass woman. I'm gonna own it, and I'm gonna be proud of it. So yeah, trying to be more positive. One way that I'm trying to get more excited about my birthdays is actually celebrating them. So I have plans for my 40th. I'm hoping that I can do a big trip either to Europe, or if that doesn't work out, plan B is to go to New Zealand, because Lord of the Rings. I want to pretend that I'm living my fantasy in a Lord of the Rings movie. So yeah, trying to be more excited about my birthdays. But yeah, anyways, we'll get to the gift. I open the box. That's what that looks like. And then inside the box, there is another box. And then inside this box is, surprise, another box. So it says here, Disney Princess Signature Compact Series by Besame. It's a very cute box, you know, feels pretty good quality. We have really pretty foliage right here with the gold leaves blowing, kind of giving you a hint of what might be inside. So yeah, the box itself, very cute, definitely keeping. And then we open it up and ta-da! It's Pocahontas! So yeah, for those of you that might not know, Besame had a Disney Princess collection going where they had these unique custom compacts, these ones, and they were selling 2 at a time throughout the year, and they only had limited quantities, so they're more like a collection piece. And yeah, I happened to see this in one of the videos I was watching. I like to watch those what's new in makeup type videos where they talk about new makeup releases. And so I saw this, I got really excited. Then the price was mentioned, and very quickly I was like, oh, never mind. I don't know that I am willing to spend the big bucks, especially since I've never tried the brand Besame. But I guess my husband was paying attention because he got me the Pocahontas one, which is the one that I really wanted. I feel like Pocahontas is not usually in, you know, makeup collection collabs merchandise. Usually it's the other more popular princesses like Ariel, Belle. So yeah, that's why I was really excited when I first heard that they were gonna have a Pocahontas compact. Let me show you. I'll start with the lipstick first. This is what the lipstick tube looks like. So very pretty. The component is gold, and while it's not heavy, it does feel sturdy. It's something that is going to last, and I can display here on my vanity. And I also like that we have all the Disney princesses kind of represented in the lipstick. You know, there's Mushu for Mulan, there's the little glass slipper for Cinderella, the lamp for Jasmine. So I really like that they represented all the Disney princesses in the lipstick. Let me just open it up and show you what the actual lipstick looks like. So the lipstick is just like a nude lipstick, which is fine with me. I like nude lipsticks. And yeah, very pretty. I like it. I haven't swatched the lipstick yet. I kind of don't want to. I want to preserve it, but really it doesn't matter if I use up the lipstick because it's the packaging that is the prettiest. Now we move on to the star of the show here, if I can get it out. Okay, so this is what the compact looks like. Very pretty. I like the image they chose for Pocahontas. I think when you think of Pocahontas, usually this is the image that comes to mind, where she's standing at the edge of the cliff, her hair is blowing in the wind, and you got the leaves kind of swirling around her. So very pretty. I also like that there's purple in this. Purple is my favorite color. And this is very heavy. It definitely has weight to it. It feels like it's good quality. That's just what the back looks like. So yeah, very pretty. The workmanship looks to be really, really good. Now I'm gonna open it up and show you the inside. So this is what the inside looks like. Oh, sorry, I just dropped the little sponge thingy. The little sponge thingy is just, you know, your regular makeup sponge, nothing really revolutionary there. I haven't taken off the film off the mirror, but yeah, this one is a highlighter and it just has like a plastic top on it. If I can take it out. Yeah, so it just had this plastic thingy over top of the highlighter, and I will swatch the highlighter later on, but right now I just wanted to show you the inside. My one critique with this is that I wish that there was like an actual image embossed in the highlighter. That would have been, you know, such a cute detail, and I really think they missed out on that. It's just a missed opportunity, but yeah, what can you do? It is what it is. Other than that, I do really like this. I think it's super pretty, and I'm definitely happy that I own one. It's a nice piece to have. Now let me swatch the highlighter now. So, and like I said, this is a reusable compact, so if you run out, you can just replace it with a highlighter, or I believe also blush. They have blush singles, so that's actually really nice. It looks really nice. You can see the reflect there. Very pretty. I don't know if this might be a little bit too light for me. Actually, let me try it on right now. I mean, I already have highlighter on, but let me just put some more on. So I'm just going to use this e.l.f. highlighter brush. And yeah, I think I could pull this off. I think if I just use a light hand, it will be very nice. Yeah, it looks okay, I think. Like I said, I already have highlighter on, so I feel like you can't really, I can't really judge this yet, but it's swatched nice, so there's that. So yeah, that was my birthday gift unboxing. I hope you guys found it somewhat interesting. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, please take care and bye.